Okay, so to build our new website, the first thing we should do is create a workflow. And now we need to add one webhook. So we do this, we add this node, and let's call it home. So whenever we go to the link /home, we'll go to this. Everything else we can leave as is. We just need to change this to using respond to webhook node. So I'll just click and we search for this respond to webhook, and we'll add it. We'll change the type for text, and then we'll need to add some properties. So you just go here, response headers, you click add response header, then you just copy this exactly, this as a name, and then this as a value, and then here we're going to put our actual website. So for this I'm going to copy my own community. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it this, it will send. We do like this, and it will just give us an HTML we can copy and paste to our n8n. So let's give it a minute. So after a while you'll see something like this, which is your web page, and you just need to copy this, go back to your n8n, click here, and paste it in the body. Now if we go here and copy the link and we run the workflow, we can now go to the link and we'll have our landing page. If you wanted to add more landing pages, you'd have to create one little flow like this for each page, and then we'd have to ask GPT to link them all together on this navigation bar. But this is basically how you can get started and create your own page or brand page. If it's very simple, you can create it and deploy it with n8n very easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider joining our Vipreneur community, where I want people to learn how to actually build products, marketing, and all the steps required to build businesses. And the goal with this community is to let people ask questions and get help in one place while also learning. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.